Hi, so I want to show you a quick hair tutorial that is perfect for at the pool or at the beach if you don't want to get your hair wet and you want to come off and you have beautiful waves. So first thing you want to do is section off your hair. Just want to take the top part. You kind of want to smooth it out. And you could do this on the back of your head or on the top, whichever you prefer. Keep wrapping. And then you take your small pin for this one. There you go. And then you want to take the back of your hair, smooth that out. Now you could take some salt water, which is the best to have beach. So after you wrapped all your hair, take the large pin, and then so you've got two buns. I'll show the back. Okay, so now I'm gonna let out my hair. Bottom bun. And top. Okay, that literally looks like an iron was in my hair.
Well, this I'm not using.
Ta-da! How cute is that? Double bun, pinned poolside.